Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I am going to unbox the Spring 2018 Pusheen box, subscription box. Supposedly, this is the 10th box, so this box has some really great items related to that anniversary. For this particular box, I believe that there are some really great items that are perfect for school or work. For example, a mouse pad, a tape dispenser, a water bottle, and a letter pad. This box also has a Pusheen blanket and a Pusheen slipper, so you can use it to watch movies, anime, or just hang around at home. My favorite items in this box is the blanket and the mouse pad. This box also came with a really pretty pencil case that is lined with gold color inside. So what are your favorite items in this box? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.